Hello and welcome back to the world of mathematics. So, we were discussing class 6, chapter number 12, that is understanding elementary shapes. So, let's continue with the chapter. This is the summary chart of whatever we have discussed in the last videos. Let's have a quick recap. First, we have discussed regular polygons were polygons जिसके सारे ही sides equal होंगे, जिसके सारे ही angles equal होंगे. अगर sides equal नहीं है, अगर angles equal नहीं है, so that polygon will be called as the irregular polygon. पॉलीगन जिसकी थ्री साइड्स होगी दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल जिसकी तीनों साइड्स इक्वल होंगी. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेगुलर पॉलीगन्स. दैट मीन्स हम सारी साइड्स इक्वल की बात कर रहे हैं. अगर वो साइड्स या एंगल्स अनइक्वल होंगे सो दैट विल बी इरेगुलर पॉलीगन्स. तो थ्री साइड्स इक्वल होगी सो दैट विल बी ट्राइंगल एंड सम ऑफ ऑल द एंगल्स विल बी 180 डिग्री. जिसकी फोर साइड्स होंगी दैट विल बी स्क्वायर, सम ऑफ एंगल्स विल बी 360 डिग्री. Then five-sided polygon will be regular pentagon and the sum of angles will be 540 degree. जिसकी six sides होंगी equal that will be called as regular hexagon and sum of angles will be 720 degree. जिसकी seven sides होगी equal that will be called as regular heptagon and sum of angles will be 900 degree. Eight sides equal so that will be regular octagon and the sum of angles will be 1080. जिसकी नाइन साइड्स इक्वल होंगी दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज रेगुलर नोनागन एंड द सम ऑफ एंगल्स विल बी 1260 डिग्री. एंड जिसकी 10 साइड्स होंगी इक्वल दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज रेगुलर डेकागन एंड द सम ऑफ एंगल्स विल बी 1440 degrees. So this was what we have discussed in the last video. Today we are going to discuss some questions based on these polygons. First question says that check whether the given figure in each of the following is a polygon or not. Give reasons if it is not a polygon. Let's see the first part. First figure is this. First figure हमारी closed figure है, but if you can see it contains the curved lines. That means it is not made up of line segments. So it is made up of the curved lines. Therefore, a figure is not a polygon. Similarly, you are going to write it in your notebooks that the given figure A is not a polygon because it contains the curved lines. B, it is a closed figure made up of line segments. Therefore, it is a polygon. Similarly, C, सारी ही line segments से बनी है, closed figure है, therefore it is a polygon. D तो हमारा circle है. As it is circle, it is not made up of line segments. Therefore, D figure is not our polygon. And E तो हमारी open figure है. So ये तो polygon हो ही नहीं सकती. Therefore, it is not a polygon. So basically, you have to check whether the given figure is closed figure and contains line segments only. अगर ये दोनों कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई हो गई, इन दोनों कंडीशंस पे टिक लग गया, देन दैट फिगर इज अ पॉलीगन, एल्स वो पॉलीगन नहीं है. आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स यू कैन ड्रॉप योर डाउट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो. Let's move on to the next question, that is write the name of the polygon in each of the following. तो हम कैसे नेम करेंगे? We will count the number of sides. For example, थर्ड का ए पार्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं. Let's count the number of sides. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5-sided figure was our pentagon. So this is our pentagon. Similarly, B part में count करते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8-sided figure we used to call it as octagon. So this is octagon. And we can clearly see the C part, that is 1, 2, 3. So this is our triangle. Similarly, D part 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is four-sided figure is called the quadrilateral. And E part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Six-sided figure is called the hexagon. You can refer to the chart or the properties that we have discussed in the last videos if you have any confusion. Still, if you have any doubt, you can drop your doubt in the comment section below. So your home task is you have to do exercise 12F. Question number 1 to 3, all the parts in your notebooks Till then, stay happy, take care, stay blessed, and thank you so much.